Yan, you will eat, ha? Panda. Ikaw, eat na ikaw, ha? Ikaw din. Cute! Kumain na. Si Big Boy. Naano na yung mata mo, Big Boy? Oh, we'll go now, ha? We go to Saffron. I will also put this one for ducks finish. They are all big now. Saffron! Baby! Where are you, baby? Saffron! They're big now. He is here, Saffron. Manina, ikaw, manina. Okay, tingin kay mama, dali. Cute. Wait lang, ha. Together with your mama. Be, cute lang ikaw. Oh, cute. Yala, eat na ikaw, Saffron. Yala, eat na ikaw. There is cat food inside. Yala. Or you want this one? Tissue, yala, yala. Na ikaw, wabay na, ha. Naman, nino, ikaw mo, nino. Babay na. Taking care of your son, ha? Because they will fight for your baby. Babay na, ha? Eat na ikaw. Gosh. You will not eat. Still playing. Yala, Saffron. Bueno, babay na, ha? Look, ikaw ni mama, anak. Eat na ikaw na, eat na. Good boy. Gina, good boy na. Ginger. Bye-bye na, ha. Love you. Bye-bye. Cute niya talaga, oh. Sino maglaro. Paglaro sa akin. Bye-bye na, B. I can't play with you. I have work pa, ha? Bye-bye na. We love you. Bye-bye, Saffron. Bye-bye na, Bibi. Magsipaglabasan na. Ganda niya. Cute. Saffron. Bye na. Bye na, ha.